nato spiritual life. Pero ingon sa dinhi kwanta, spirit as dwell in you. Na ang espiritu nga naa sa naa nato, but anyone that's the spirit of Christ, kung wala tay espiritu ni Kristo, he is not for in you. He is not for him. Notice that God, Christ, and the Spirit are all mentioned here. Yes, this verse is not making a doctrinal statement, is dealing with our experience contrary to the way the Christianity present it, that Trinity is not a doctrine for us to subscribe to. We need God to be triune in order that we may experiencing God, Christ, and the Spirit are all in our experience. Na makita din nato din